Hello, everyone. This is Angela at Angela's Garden Sense. And yes, as you can see, I am standing here with 4 peat pellets here. That's right. And I am about to also start some dwarf tomatoes. We watched BEARFRUIT Gardening this morning. She started hers. She's using the tissue paper method in terms of germinating her seeds. And I am just simply going to drop my seeds in these peat pellets, as you can see. Now, typically, one should really drop into, whoops, that's a little bit too far down, um, 2 seeds when you're trying to start out. I only had, as I pulled out my packets of seeds, I couldn't believe it. I only had 4 altogether Tiny Tim seeds. I went, oh my God, really? Well, as opposed to dropping 2 seeds per hole and then thinning it out, let's see what's going to happen. All 4 may not germinate. If I do, that's fine, but I'm hoping I'll get 2 out of these anyway. But I've had these peat pellets actually in the house and pre-moistened for some time. I had, they were originally outside on the deck, and of course it's cold outside, so they were quite cold. And I said, well, let me bring them inside, kind of get them to room temperature, which I did, but actually they're still pretty cool to the touch, but that's okay. I moistened them just a little bit again with some warm water to kind of warm the soil a little bit, or warm the peat in which they're going to germinate. And so, hey, what I'm going to do is just lightly cover these up here, and I hope in the next 3 to 4 days I'll have something that will have germinated. Let's see what's going to happen. Now this one, actually it's too far down in the hole. I'm going to have to lift that up a little bit. I've got to work on that one. I'll do that when the camera's off. But these, again, are peat pellets. You've seen me use these before. It's how I start many seedlings. And I just sort of lightly cover it up, very, very lightly. Um, but with these, last year I started all my tomatoes the same way as well as the year before. And what I actually did, as soon as I put them in the pellets, I put them in the grow lights. And believe it or not, they germinated very quickly. Whoops, I think I just lost my seed there. Um, I'm going to fish that out and correct that. But anyway, what I'm going to do is the same thing. I'm going to start these, give it a little bit of moisture there, little moisture there, little moisture there. Hopefully that's not the seed showing up. No, it's not. It's just something else. I'm not sure what that is. But, and this one this one I have to fix and do something with it. But I'm going to put these under my little, I have a simple, was it the Fairy Morse grow light? It's one of those quick pop it up, plug it in types of lights, but I did get germination in the past, so I'm hoping I can get the same thing. But yeah, starting also my Tiny Tims, I'm going to try and grow them inside. You know, I had some success with them in the spring, and they lasted until the frost, and they only got about 2 feet high. Of course, they were outside, and I understand the difference in terms of lighting. I will put them near the window that gets the most amount of sun during the day. I guess I get about maybe 6 hours of real sun, but and if there's any day in which the temperature may climb to 55 or 60, I'll take them outside to get some sun on those days, but bring them right back in. But anyway, wish me luck on this. Just wanted to share that with you, and see if I can start to grow some inside. Be great to have with some of those microgreens that I'm enjoying. So let's see what happens. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. Remember to plant something and always eat what you grow. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.